Alright guys, so we're back here with another quick video that might be interesting to you guys. Alright, so what happens if you need to change the gears on the inside of this? What you need to do with the Ubitech Alpha Pro is unscrew, and there's 4 screws here, and they're black just like the ones that were holding the body together earlier. So you got to remove those. And what that does is it opens up the gearbox. And here we go. One more. Wow. That was damaged, so it just came off like that. Because this robot I bought used from eBay, which is why it didn't cost me as much. Alright, anyway, to check inside here, all you need to do is kind of slide this open. If it doesn't come off by itself, you can use a flattened screwdriver. But let me just go through how this works here. And as you can see here, there was one that was a little bit damaged. But anyway, this is the order that these things go in. Okay, so take a quick look here. The smallest one goes on the very top. Then there's this one here. And this one. Come on, get out. Hopefully they've been greased. Properly. They should come out pretty easily here. There we go. Came out. And this is the big one here. And there we have it. Okay. There's also this little white bit. Don't forget the white bit. And what it does is, just like the flat end, it fits like this on the white bit. All right. So let's reassemble it real quick. I'm going to start by putting in this bit here that came out, because otherwise it'll be harder to do later. Let's put that in first. Make sure that it goes all the way in. And then you'll have to reassemble it the same way. The biggest one goes in first. As such, make sure it's all the way down. Then it'll be this one, and you can see how these things are done here. This is the other big one. It goes next to the largest one. Gotta push it in. Not the easiest of tasks when you're trying to do it on camera, unfortunately. Come on, get in there. And it only goes in a certain way because it has to fit perfectly in there. Alright, it's struggling with this bit here. It's struggling with this bit here on top. There we go. See, it went in really easily. This thing here on top, which is kind of interesting how it was missing a bunch of these. I think they're called bearings. It was missing a bunch of these in the other ones that I serviced before, so it didn't have that problem. And again, it's always when you're trying to make a video and teach people how to do things that things go wrong the most. But anyway, here we go. I'll put this back on here. There we go. So that is the correct order in which these gears go. And all you have to do then is put this back on like here. And as we talked about, then you'll have the 4 screws and you're done. Alright, so I hope this video was very helpful to you guys on how to disassemble and reassemble these little gearboxes if you have to change a gear, if something was grinding or whatever. And I'll see you in the next one.